In today's video, I will walk you through how to set a welcome message in a Telegram group. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. Open Telegram Desktop and search for your chosen management bot, for example, @GroupHelpBot. Start a chat with the bot, and then add it directly to your target group. Make sure you promote the bot to an administrator status, so it has permission to send messages and track new member joins in your group. Once your bot is installed as an admin, you can configure the greeting message right from your desktop. Open a direct message chat with your moderation bot. Type the configuration command, usually /welcome or /setwelcome, followed by the text you want new users to see. Most bots allow you to use dynamic variables like name or username, so the greeting automatically personalizes itself for every single newcomer. Hit send and use the test command like /testwelcome to preview how it looks inside your group layout. And just like that, every new member gets an automated onboarding experience without you having to lift a finger manually. If this guide helped you level up your community setup, smash that like button, subscribe for more technical breakdowns, and drop a comment below letting me know which group management bot you use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.